Hey fans, followers, customers, I welcome you today here in the Dyno room at H Performance to show you one of our latest pieces of chocolate. Our RS3 8 Epsilon today, 707 horsepower, stage presentation just for you. We show you the car, we will show it on the dyno, we explain a little bit about the components, we are going to drive on the street so you see what is really in the package, 100 to 200 kilometers per hour. And for sure we'll make some sound noise videos for you as well to hear how it sounds if 707 horsepower go through a 4-inch exhaust system turbo back. So let's have a little look on the components. The star of the setup is the new TC Turbos X8 turbocharger, which is a complete new redesigned project from TC Turbos, which we have here in the RS3 8 Epsilon. Besides the heart of the kit, the X8 turbocharger, we have our engine pack 1 in there, the 4-inch intake and inlet system, our big H Performance 8Y intercooler with the air guides to get the air to the intercooler, billet intake manifold, fuel rail billet version, the 80mm throttle body elbow, as well as the H Performance 950 Newton meter clutch setup. So that is actually our strongest and street legal version with 707 horsepower that we offer here in Germany for German and European customers. We also have the next step already in the background. There is going to be an export version with a little bit of alcohol in there, and I can promise you this is going to switch off the lights finally on that platform. Okay, so yeah, I don't want to talk so much more. Components I showed you. You also see them in the video. Now we are going to make the measuring on the dyno, make some sound check on the dyno as well, see the graphs, and then, like I told you, street and sound. So guys, here we are back. Now you've seen the result. Here's the graph. Yeah, what should we say at this point? It looks like it's drawn by hand. 713 horsepower, 840 Newton meter, a torque and a power curve that could not be any nicer than here, straight to the top, showing that there is so much more in. We run absolutely far away from any bottleneck or restriction in the system. This is what we want to sell you. And this is performing not only on the dyno, it also performs on the street extremely good. Just lean back and have a look.